Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Avelis Bus Bar 12 volts 150A power distribution block. A premium solution designed for solar battery wiring, marine applications, boats, and automotive projects. This is a product aimed at anyone needing organized, reliable power distribution for multiple electrical connections. The Avelis Bus Bar comes as a set of two 12-way bus bars, one red and one black, each equipped with protective snap lock covers. These covers are designed to resist vibration and prevent accidental shorts, which is especially important in vehicles or marine environments where movement and moisture can create electrical hazards. The snap lock design ensures your connections stay covered during installation, transport, and maintenance. At the core of this distribution block is a solid tinned copper bus bar mounted on a rigid polypropylene base. The heavy-duty construction allows for low-resistance connections, rated up to 150 amps and compatible with systems up to 48 volts. This makes it suitable for inverters, chargers, DC accessories, and any setup requiring clean, organized power routing. One of the standout features of this bus bar is its focus on professional wiring management. By consolidating multiple leads into a central location, it reduces cluttered battery posts and wiring errors, making troubleshooting much easier. Positive and negative connections are separated, allowing for clear, logical routing of your wiring. Each bus bar has 12 terminals with 1/4-inch studs, so before installation, it's important to check that your ring lug size and mounting clearance match your setup. The versatility of this bus bar is another strong point. It functions equally well as a 12-volt distribution block, a marine bus bar, or a ground bus bar. Whether you're wiring an RV, boat, truck, UTV, or off-road vehicle, this block supports a wide range of applications including fuse blocks, lighting, winches, and audio systems. Its compact dimensions, measuring just over 5.5 inches wide and slightly more than an inch high, make it easy to integrate even in tight spaces without sacrificing performance. Inside the box, you'll find both the red and black 12-way bus bars along with all necessary mounting accessories. This ensures you have everything needed to get your power distribution setup running quickly and efficiently. Overall, the Avelis Bus Bar 12 volts 150A power distribution block combines durability, safety, and convenience. Its solid copper construction, protective covers, and organized terminal layout make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to manage complex 12-volt DC electrical systems professionally. Whether you're upgrading a boat, building a solar setup, or improving vehicle wiring, this bus bar is engineered to deliver reliable performance in demanding environments. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product insights.